Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not installing on Android phone. So guys, if you are an Android user and want to install Roblox and not installing in your phone, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your phone. So guys, if not connected, then you need to connect it, and guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, secondly, you need to open your Play Store on your Android phone, and guys, you need to click on your main profile, and guys, here you can see you need to click on settings and click on about. And guys, you need to update your Play Store from here, and guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to go back. And guys, you need to open your settings on your phone, and guys, after this you need to scroll it down, and guys, you need to click on system, and guys, after this you need to click on system update, and guys, you need to update your Android phone to latest version. So guys, if you have any kind of update on this tab, then guys, you need to update from here. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to open any internet browser on your phone. So guys, for example, I am going to open here UC browser, and guys, after opening it, here you need to search Roblox, and guys, after this you need to search here app that is APK Pure. So guys, simply you need to search here app name, and guys, after this you need to write APK Pure, and guys, you need to download this app from this link. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.